So while I wait for Catherine to get back with the chips, we had a problem, a major problem with our camper van. And when we got it, it was the most incredible, amazing thing we'd seen. And it was perfect. We got it converted from new. Her name is Rita. She looks sporty. She looks sexy. She was everything that we wanted. And then the UK roads started getting progressively worse and worse and worse and worse. Now the alloys that we initially got and the tyres we initially got just we loved it. Absolutely freaking loved them. It was our perfect camper van. But practically, progressively got worse because the roads in the UK, the potholes were massive, some 20 foot long and half a foot deep. They are ridiculous. And then about 6 months in, we smashed into a freaking pothole. Now it didn't do too much damage, but it did enough damage. This is where we hit the pothole, isn't it, Seb? Just there, and it's dented the rim. And then ironically, I don't know, a week after we did our alloy in, a mate of mine was driving down the road and he hit again this massive pothole and it literally destroyed his alloy, which went under the body of his camper van. He'd only had the camper van 24 hours. So his insurance company was like a bit dodgy, and yeah, as in dodgy as in, yeah, whatever, mate, you've just had it like 24 hours. But he got it all solved and everything, and he's ended up changing his alloys. But again, it's a safety thing for him that I don't want, you know, me to not notice a massive pothole. What we've got on now, I've got better peace of mind that we're going to be a lot safer than with these. And when I've been out in these, the new ones, the pothole anxiety, honestly, Seb, it's gone, isn't it? And that was the problem. It looked smart, but it weren't actually too practical. So I had to reach into my wallet, which I don't mind doing because it is like safety. Seb comes in the wagon and we've had to change the alloys and revert the suspension back to standard. So now it is so much safer. I'll show you the alloys that we got in a mo, the new ones that were done by QT Van Works down in Peterborough. We had to travel a little way, but oh my God, like the ride, Catherine says like the ride is so much better. I reckon the ride's better. The steering's easier. The fuel consumption is higher, but we've got no major risk, or we've massively reduced that risk of hitting a pothole and freaking veering off and smashing into something like my mate did. This is a common thing that you see on the Facebook groups as well. So, in my honest opinion, my absolute humble opinion, get them swapped out, go back to standards and get some big chunky alloys on. And obviously, as you can see, we had the VLR 17s with some very low profile alloys on, which looked amazing. You can see here, it looks absolutely amazing. But now I'm going to go and show you exactly what we've got. So the next thing you're going to see is our new wheels. And I bet you can't wait. I couldn't either. I only took a day down at QT Van Works. So Seb's just finishing off doing the rest of the old wheels. We're going to get some money back on them. Even if we get 500 quid, I'll be happy. But yeah, next bit of footage, new wheels. Right. So here we are. As you can see now, we've gone for these General Grabber AT3s, and these are 235/65 R17 XL load rated, and they are absolutely freaking beasts. We've paired this with the Navis Galidas. They're beautiful, 17, really just match well with these. You can see it's only like, it's not a great deal. This is the rear wheel. There's not a lot of gap actually between the wheel arch and everything. So we've had the suspension reverted back to standard. And on the front, there's not a great deal of gap either, which you've already seen. So the good thing about this is, yeah, fuel consumption is slightly different, but the ride is so much better. No pothole anxiety. And also the steering is a lot softer as well. And it handles absolutely fine. So yes, they don't look as sporty as the other ones, but I've got about that much more tyre wall on to protect me actually from the potholes. So all in all, we absolutely freaking love these, and the guys down at QT Van Works did everything. And I think I've got a little video grabbed off of their TikTok here if I can find it, of them swapping everything out. So yeah, reverted back to standard suspension, so standard T6.1 VW suspension, and with these General Grabbers on. Now the reason why we went for these as well, because obviously everyone normally goes for the BF Goodriches, but we met a really nice couple down at Fine Shades when we were last there, and I said to Catherine, because they had all-terrain vehicles on, I said to Catherine, I was like, oh, if we get the tyres and that changed over, that's kind of what it's going to look like, just to give her, you know, an understanding of that it's not going to be a sporty, super low in the wheel arch. She's like, oh, that's fine. So I went and spoke to the guy, and I was like, yeah, looking at getting BF Goodriches. He goes, well, and he had a T6.1 short wheelbase. He'd just been in Scotland for a month, travelling around with his missus and child and dogs. And he said, BF Goodriches look mint, but in the wet on a road, they're like ice skates. And that single comment made me change over to the General Grabbers, which he had on his wagon at the time. So these are absolute beasts, and I freaking love them. So no pothole anxiety. Seb and Catherine are a lot safer in the vehicle. Win-win. Just a few grand down on the old bank balance, but worth it for peace of mind. And would you believe I cleaned her not too long ago? It's got all this dust on and everything. But that's what she looks like. This is a wide angled lens. Let me just pop it in a little bit. So that's what they look like on. Oh, nearly fell over. So yeah, Rita. It's loving it. There's the front. And there's the rears. So that's it. All sorted. End of the video. If you've got any questions about these, then please don't hesitate to ask. But we're incredibly happy with it. I'm going to go and see my boy now because he's shouting at me. Yes, Seb?